Hello guys, welcome on my channel 4 Wheels by David. Today I'm gonna show you this impact driver. This is Parkside impact driver from LIDL. Are you interested? Let's have a look. This is Parkside impact driver. This is 20-volt battery on it, and manufacturers say that this got 180 Newton meters. That is strong enough or not? Let's have a look. I welcome to view the test.
So this is the bolt M16. I will torque this bolt with my torque wrench for 150 Newton meters. It's 150, yeah, confirm. As 159.3 Newton meters. Now we see that this gun will be able to loosen it. The battery is fully charged. Yeah, bolt M16. Easily, huh? The next step will be 200 Newton meters. Yeah. We got in here 214.4. Let's see. The same easily. So next step will be 250 Newton meters. Confirm. We got in here 254.4. Yeah. Let's have a look now. The same, easily. So last step will be 300 Newton meters. 300 Newton meters, yeah. Confirm. The volume for the flashing is last torque, yes, so it gonna change now, yeah, like it's 30, so 300. It's 307 Newton meters, 0.3, yeah. Okay, that will be amazing if gun will manage. Wow. it loosened, no problem. Take a few seconds. So the manufacturer say that it should be 180 Newton meters. So I know so I will not go anymore like this, yeah, than 300. Okay, now I will torque this bolt with this gun and we will check how many Newton meters we need for loosen it. So I will torque this bolt for 5 seconds with the gun. And now I'm gonna loose the bolt. Oh, it's 211.4 Newton meters we need to loosen this bolt. So I think it's really good for this price of the gun.
So for 20 points for this gun, I think is good enough, and 24 battery and charger, I think it's good price for this gun. So I think this gun is good enough. This managed to loosen the bolt from 300 Newton meters, from over 300 Newton meters, and also torque a bolt for over 200 Newton meters. So I think if you guys are happy with this gun, just get it. Yeah, I think it's cheap enough. So if you guys are happy with my video, please leave a like, subscribe my channel, leave a comment below what you think about it, and see you next time. Thank you very much. Bye.